All right, finally today, let's take a look at expressions of cause. Now, English has a number of ways to express the cause or reason for an action, circumstance, or feeling. If I said they did not ride the roller coaster because they were out of tokens. Paul was expelled for cheating on his test. She is pale with fright. The children are weak from malnutrition. So why did they stop riding the roller coaster? Because they were out of tokens. Why was he expelled? For cheating on his test. Why is she pale? Because she's frightened. And why are the children weak? Because they have malnutrition. So Latin also has ways to express cause. There's 3 different ways. The first is by prepositional phrase, which you're really familiar with. You use ob or propter plus the accusative. Viri ob iram pugnant. The men fight because of anger. What's the reason? That's the cause of the fighting? Anger. Next one we have is de or ex plus the ablative. Miles ex vulnere agerat. The soldier was disabled. You could either say by or from a wound. Why was the soldier disabled? What was the cause of his disability? A wound. So that's a prepositional phrase. Still says the same thing. It expresses cause. Now the next one's called ablative of cause. You need to remember there's no preposition for this one. Vira ira pugnant. The men fight because of anger. Notice no preposition in that phrase. Ex silui gaudio. I jumped for joy. So that's an ablative of cause. It's really simple, using an ablative without a preposition. It's another reason why we use an ablative without a preposition. The last one is causa or gratia, and it includes the genitive. Okay? So liberatatis causa mortua es. So here we have genitive, right? Genitive. She died for the cause of freedom. You don't have to put the cause of, but that's what causa means. She died for freedom. Why? Why was the reason for her death? Right? Freedom. She died because of, right? That was the reason. So next one is exemplia gratia. For the sake of. That's another way to translate it. For the sake of, for the cause of. For the sake of example. Now that's not a complete sentence, but there you go. Something was for the sake of example. Now, causa and gratia always come after the genitive. Okay, do you see that there? They come after the genitive. It's after the genitive. Now, it's easy to confuse the ablative of cause with the other uses of the ablative, such as means and manner. So in order to determine the construction, ask yourself which translation makes the most sense. If it means because of, if you can put a because of in there, then it's cause. If you can say by means of, even if there's not one there, but you can put by means of in there, it's by means. And if it's with, you can put a with in there, it's manner. And if it's manner, because of will not make sense.